Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter beans. First, select high-quality dried butter beans. Soaking them properly is key to a creamy texture and even cooking. Always rinse your beans well before and after soaking to remove any impurities. Fresh ingredients truly elevate the taste, so choose wisely. Cook until they are perfectly tender, but be careful not to overcook them. Let's get started with preparation. Begin by measuring 1 cup of dried butter beans. Place them in a large bowl and cover them with about 3 inches of cold water. Allow them to soak for a minimum of 8 hours, or ideally, overnight. This step significantly reduces cooking time. Once soaked, drain the water and rinse the beans thoroughly under cold running water. Now for the cooking. Transfer your rinsed butter beans to a pot and add 4 cups of fresh water. For a flavorful base, include aromatic vegetables such as a chopped onion and a few cloves of minced garlic. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours, or until the beans are tender. Remember to season with salt and pepper after they are cooked. To enhance the flavor, consider adding a smoked ham hock or a piece of bacon during the simmering process for a rich, savory depth. A single bay leaf can also contribute a lovely, subtle aroma. Once cooked, these delicious butter beans are perfect served warm as a comforting side dish or even as a light main course. Garnish with fresh parsley or chives for a pop of color and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.